All right. Well, abortion is expected to be a key issue in tonight's debate after the Supreme Court cleared the way for hospitals in Idaho to perform emergency abortions. The official ruling followed an accidental online posting of the opinion yesterday and was quickly taken down. CBN News medical reporter Lori Johnson is here now with more on what this ruling means. Lori.
Well, Tara, it means this case is far from over and even could eventually return to the High Court at a later date.
Although justices agreed to take the Biden administration case challenging Idaho's abortion ban, they ultimately decided to send it back to the lower courts. Justice Barrett, joined by Chief Justice Roberts and Justice Kavanaugh, wrote, "Dismissing the case now makes sense because the contours of the issue have changed in the last several months." She points out revisions Idaho made to its law and how the Biden administration clarified some of its original statements. The state law allows abortion only if the mother's life is in danger. The Biden administration argues federal law supersedes the state law, requiring emergency rooms to stabilize patients to the point where abortion should be required to protect a woman's health, not just her life. Justice Alito, author of the decision overturning Roe v. Wade, joined by Justices Neil Gorsuch and Clarence Thomas, suggested the court side with Idaho, stating federal health care law conclusively shows that it does not require hospitals to perform abortions. Justices Jackson, Kagan, and Sotomayor, however, sided with the Biden administration. This led the court to temporarily rule that Idaho must allow emergency abortions to save the mother's health, not just her life.
So the three who say it's premature and the three who say the federal government wins combines to be the 6 justices who say we're done. We're backing out of this. We're going to allow the federal statute to preempt the state statute for now, with 3 dissenters.
The dismissal is seen as a win for the Biden administration, with the president issuing a statement saying no woman should be denied care, made to wait until she's near death, or forced to flee her home state just to receive the health care she needs. Demonstrators outside the court had mixed reactions.
It's a null and void issue today. So they didn't make a decision.
This is a long fight because the decision went back to the state courts.
Nobody lost here. What we've seen is basically a stalemate.
Pro-life organizations still hope the case will ultimately be decided in Idaho's favor due to the federal law's language.
In that law specifically, it mentions not just stabilizing care for women, but also stabilizing care for the unborn child. So the unborn child is explicitly protected in that federal law.
Many other pro-life organizations weighed in today on the Supreme Court ruling in similar ways, stating their belief that the Idaho abortion law should and will ultimately prevail, even if that means returning to this conservative-led Supreme Court.